Law number 4 is the law of navigation. Anyone can steer the ship, but it takes a leader to chart the course. That's very true. Leaders many times are just highly visionary, and they kind of just point to the mountain and say, let's charge that mountain. And they fail to understand that the people that are following, they not only need to see the mountain, they need to see the path to the mountain. They need to take individual steps. They need to have the dream, the vision broken down into step-by-step sequence. That's what the law of navigation is all about, because I have discovered that leaders see more than others see, and they see before others see. So the wise leader, understanding that they see more and before their followers, will take time to sequence the dream and plan it out and let each person understand and realize and experience each step of that journey. Doing so, it takes a little bit more patience, but it also is highly rewarding, because sooner or later you will, with your people, get to that mountain. Law number 5 is the law of addition. Leaders add value by serving others. Now, this is one of the 2 new laws in the 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership Revised Edition. You see, for 10 years, as I taught the 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership, I kept saying to myself, something is missing. And after a few years, I realized it was the law of addition. Adding value to others by serving others. You see, as leaders, we either are adding or we're subtracting. Go to any organization, go to any government, any business, any educational institution, and the people that are there will tell you that that organization is either better because the leaders have added value, or it is not as well off because those leaders have subtracted. What's the secret of adding value to others? Serving others, putting them first. And that's what the law of addition is all about. Law number 6 is the law of solid ground. Trust is the foundation of leadership. Now, if trust is the foundation of all leadership, in other words, you can only lead people to the amount and the degree of their willingness to trust you, then we have to ask ourselves very quickly, as leaders, how do I establish trust with my people? Well, I've discovered over the years, teaching leaders, coaching, mentoring them, that trust is developed by competence and character. In other words, when you do what you're supposed to do well as a leader and you show competence, people begin to trust you because they know that you're good. They know that you've been successful in leading others through difficult times, and so therefore you'll be successful this time. But competence alone is not enough. You have to also have character. You have to be true to your word. You have to have integrity. You see, people are not going to follow you if you're just a gifted leader, but you're not truthful with them. You're not ethical in your leadership responses. So it's not either or. It's not competence without character, and it certainly isn't character without competence. Trust is a result of character and competence, and when you can put the 2 of those together, that is the law of solid ground.